Here we've got ALCATEL A3, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, find and select the settings. Here you have to go to the apps, so it's this icon. Now click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, this one, and then click on reset app preferences. Just be aware that this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disable app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. However, you will not lose any app data, so simply click on reset apps. And that's it. You've just reset app preferences. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.